This is my Wapiti elk. Cold smoked, botchins, hot and spicy, and a touch of yuzu at the end. This is the elk, and this is the steak. We're gonna go ahead and put our steaks in our container. We're gonna add a good amount of our Botchon's barbecue sauce. This is absolutely incredible. It's definitely on the sweet side. So to balance that, we're gonna add some salt and we're gonna add some pepper. Make sure you turn it over because we wanna get both sides coated really well with that salt and pepper. Really gives a nice balance to that sweetness. I also like to add a little truffle sea salt to this, a little extra kick on that truffle. Then we're gonna go to marinate it for 2 minutes on each side, which is equivalent to about 4 hours of marination. If you don't have one of these, don't worry about it. You can put this in a bag, seal it up, put it in your fridge for 4 hours, and you should be good to go. Here we're turning it over because we wanna make sure we get that penetration through all of the meat, and this is gonna come out absolutely incredible. I'm gonna light my Mojo Bricks barbecue. This is a very compressed piece of wood. This is cherry and gives you that incredible color and smoke. It's a cold smoke, and when we're done with that after about an hour, we're gonna put this in our HexClad pan and sear this up on both sides, just a couple minutes till we get that sear. Look at that incredible crust forming, and you wanna make sure that you not only do both the top and bottom, but we're gonna put it on the sides. Here I set one up against the other, little trick to get those sides going, little jam session while I'm waiting, and then when we're done, it comes out looking like this. Make sure you let these rest for about 10 minutes, and then when you go ahead and slice into them, all that juice is retained in that elk. Medium rare is what I always go for, and these came out absolutely perfect. And then to make it look good, because your eyes always eat first, my food, I used some fresh basil that I picked from my arrow garden, or basil as some people call it. And then we've got the yuzu Japanese barbecue sauce from Botchon's, and it is really absolutely delicious. Some chives that I chopped up, and then finished off with some nice Aleppo pepper for a little kick to offset that sweetness, and you're gonna taste probably the best elk you've ever tasted in your life. This is my Wapiti elk. Cold smoked, Botchins, hot and spicy, and a touch of yuzu at the end. Oh, that is scintillating.